Welcome back to Larry Under Pressure. Today we're cooking up something crispy, juicy, and downright irresistible. Chicken legs and thighs baked to perfection in the Ninja dual-drawer air fryer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just diving into air fryer cooking, this dish is simple, savory, and guaranteed to be a hit. Let's get cooking.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're cooking air fryer drumsticks and thighs in, of course, the air fryer, because I just said they're air fried. So first of all, we're going to prep them and get them ready for cooking. And in a pan or a bowl, whatever you want, we're going to add some olive oil, and I'm going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons in there, quite a bit. And the next thing we're going to add is we're going to add a teaspoon of white pepper. I like white pepper, but you can use black pepper instead if you want to. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, not garlic salt. And let me get my lemon and the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. And since I don't have any fresh lemons, I'm going to use some real lemon. That'll be just as good. Then I'm going to get a whisk and stir that up. Make sure it's well stirred and combined. I'm using a Ninja pan for this. Actually, the recipe is made for drumsticks, but I'm going to use drumsticks. Instead of 6 drumsticks, I'm going to use 3 drumsticks and 2 chicken thighs. So we can try it different ways. My air fryer that I'm using is 2-drawer, so we're able to cook 2 different things in it at the same time, and we're going to do it that way. I'm going to put all these in here. Just kind of throw them in. Then we're going to stir them all around and make sure they're all covered with that wonderful mixture that we made out of all those spices and the olive oil. And there should be plenty for that, and there is. They're coating real nice. Then I'm going to take some aluminum foil, or you can take saran wrap if you want to, and we're going to cover these up and let them marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so they absorb all these incredible flavors. I tend to prefer aluminum foil because it's easier for me to work with. It doesn't cling to itself and make such a mess. I find that I need to have about 6 or 8 hands to work with saran wrap or plastic wrap, whatever the name of it is. Okay, those are ready, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back and we'll start the cooking process. We're ready to cook now. I've preheated the Ninja air fryer. I'm going to pause it, and we're going to, first of all, start with the thighs in this drawer. I'm going to spray it with some olive oil so they don't stick. And by the way, I have preheated it to 390 degrees. And I'm going to put these 2 thighs in here. They just gave a real pleasant sizzle when I put them in. And we're going to let them cook on the first round for 12 minutes, and then we're going to turn them over. Let's put the legs in. Here, I'm going to spray it with olive oil. And we're going to put our 3 chicken legs. 1, This one's big and heavy. 2. It'll cook down some once it gets real good and hot. These are huge legs. 1, 2, 3, and it's better if they're not touching because the air can circulate around them. All right, we've got it set on 24 minutes, and that's probably a little bit shy. Let's set it on 25, because that way we can do the 12 minutes and then turn them over and do 13 more minutes to finish them up. So we need to let them go for 12 minutes, and then we'll come back and check them, and we'll temp them. These have been running a little bit over the 12 minutes that I was going to do them, so let's stop the cycle and turn them over. Oh, look how nice and crispy they're getting. These are the thighs. They're looking real good. And we're going to turn those over and leave them alone. And then we're going to turn the drumsticks over. They look just as good as the thighs. They're hard to get a hold of. But I'll prevail. I'm trying not to drop the drawer out on the floor. Okay, those are turned over. They're ready to cook. We're going to cook them for 13 more minutes. And at that time, we'll open them up and temp them and make sure they're done and move on from there. As you can see on the timers, there's 4.5 minutes left, but it's smelling done. So let's check the temp. We're looking for 165 or better on them. On the thighs, 170. That was a little over 200. And on the drumsticks, 176, 180. They're done. They're absolutely done. So let's get them out and plate them. Let me get these out first. See what they look like. Look at that, how pretty the skin side is. Wow. I'm going to put them on a plate, and then I'll share the plated chicken with you in a minute. Look how nice and brown they are. And I wish you could smell them. They just smell incredibly good. These drumsticks, they look just as good. Can you see those? And this is that big boy that gave me such a hard time. Look at that. Looks like it's all nice and crispy on the outside. I'm going to let those cool for just a minute, and we'll come back and give them a quick taste. There they are, all plated up and ready for a taste test. Let's zoom in on them a little bit so you can get a better look. And I'm going to take a taste of this drumstick right here. Pull a piece of the meat off that. Look at that. Nice and done. It just tastes delicious. It tastes like the roasted chickens you get at the grocery store. Only better. I need to quit eating it and wrap up this video. It's cooked just right. Spiced just right. Tastes just right. And I think you'll really enjoy it if you try it. In my next video, I'm going to do a variation on this. And it's basically these same basic spices that we used on this one. And then just before it finishes cooking in the air fryer, we're going to add some barbecue sauce to it and make barbecued chicken. And that'll be a different take on pretty much the same recipe, and looks like it'll be delicious. So we're going to try that. So stay tuned, and on our next video, we'll do the barbecued chicken and see what you think of it. Until I do the next video and we see you again, take care and have a great evening.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Larry Under Pressure for more delicious air fryer recipes and easy kitchen inspiration. Leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Until then, stay hungry and stay creative. See you next time.